Hi guys, so today I'm going to unbox Paragon's newest collection, Oasis. It launches March 14th at 12 p.m. Central Time for early access and 1 p.m. Central Time for general access. We have 5 new styles and 7 new colors. The 2 fabrics we have are Formlux and Ray Luna. Formlux is super soft and durable and amazing for any type of workout. Ray Luna is super soft, stretchy, and lightweight. It is perfect for light to medium workouts and daily wear. I'm so excited! This thing is packed. Ooh. First up, we have the locked-in bra. It is in the Formlux material. This is Bliss, really pretty light pink, and then black. It does have sewn-in pads, which I really like. It is a high neck design. It has adjustable straps, and then also a super cute zipper design in the front. This might be the piece that I am most excited for. It is the Formlux Adapt short suit. So cute. This is the Tropical Breeze color. And then I also got it in black. It has the normal sculpt seam on the back. It has a shelf bra with removable cups. It has a little zipper detail in the front, just like the bra, and then an open back design. Next we have the Formlux Original Sculpt Seam Plus shorts. These have a 6-inch inseam. This is the Tropical Breeze color. This is Paradise. I'm actually obsessed with this green. It reminds me of the green that was super in summer of 2021, and I really hope she's making a comeback. And then we have Spicy Marg. This is a super vibrant hot pink kind of corally color. I'm actually obsessed. As always, has the hidden booty scrunch and then no front seam ever. High-waisted. I love that the waist comes in, really sucks you in. Formlux is such a good material. Each material has a different purpose, but I feel like overall I wear Lex Stretch and now Formlux the most. Next we have the Ray Luna Empower Sculpt Seam Short. These are also in a 6-inch inseam. They have a pocket on each side. The normal sculpt seam in the back, no front seam, and high rise. This is the Vintage Indigo color. Restocking from last November, we have the Ray Luna Multi-Fit Bra. These can be worn so many different fun ways. I'll definitely be making another video showing all the fun ways, but this is the Spicy Marg color. This is Lagoon. Let me show you the difference between Lagoon and Tropical Breeze. They are ever so slightly different colors. Tropical Breeze is definitely more vibrant, deep blue. Lagoon is more of a lighter color. They're still very similar, but a little bit different. And then we have Paradise. The straps on the back are what move, and you can unhook them and make them so many different fun ways. It has a scoop neckline, and it is light to medium support. We have the Ray Luna Icon Sculpt Support Bra. This is the lime color, and then Vintage Indigo. They have custom molded cups and then adjustable straps on the back. Here we have the Ray Luna Original Sculpt Seam Short, and these have a 5-inch inseam. This is the lime color. You can see it has the hidden booty scrunch. It is high-waisted and no front seam. I actually cannot get over how durable and nice quality Formlux is. I'm actually like obsessed. Anyways, these are the Formlux Original Sculpt Seam Plus legging. You can see the enhanced booty scrunch with the Sculpt Seam Plus. I'm a big fan. And this is the Bliss color. These are the Ray Luna Original Sculpt Seam leggings. These are the OGs. This is obviously the black color. Normal hidden booty scrunch in the back. No front seam, high-waisted. These are a staple in my closet. Last but not least, we have the Ray Luna Empower Sculpt Seam Pocket Leggings. So these are just like the shorts, but leggings. Pockets on each side, high-waisted, no front seam. I've been wanting a pair of black pocket leggings for a while now, so I'm super excited to try these. These are gonna be so nice for in the summer on cooler days for hikes for sure, because I never seem to have pockets for my phone and my keys and whatnot. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my full YouTube video going over the collection in detail and also a try-on haul. If you'd like to support me, my code is MIA10 at checkout to save you 10%. If you have any questions in the meantime, let me know, but I'm super excited for you guys to see this collection more and get your hands on it.